I mean, we don't go after it very much because just selling to universities is kind of a nightmare. It's like
Sure.
a year and a half selling cycle, and
Oh,
we give such huge discounts. It's like, okay, all the effort spent on that selling, like we could just
the
sell like,
margins aren't there. Yeah.
yeah, we could just sell an extra 5 courses individually, and it's the same amount of money for like going through all.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
it's one of those things where like it'd be great. We want that. We've actually been partnering a lot more with student organizations because that's so easy,
Yep.
and so we've been doing that.
And to give you context, like I didn't have an investment banking club at USD when I was there. It's starting to get more and more because kids are just smarter, and there's Wall Street
Yeah,
Oasis is out there, and
they should start
uh,
one. Yeah, the couple.
they did a year
Yeah,
after I last.
yeah. You're like, what
It
the
was
hell?
funny. There were 4 kids that, and this is part of my senior year.
Yeah.
This was actually after I got into DA or signed for DA Davidson. There was this national investment banking competition, which was hosted in Toronto. An organization, there's like 300 plus organizations,
I've heard of
30
it.
got
Yeah,
invited.
yeah,
It was great. I absolutely loved it. And we lost in the final. So we presented in the whole final gala and then lost to Queen's University when it was hosted by a panel of 5 Queen's University alumni. So I won't say anything there, but
yeah.